learn about planets with FaheemShaheen. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about our solar system, Earth. Firstly, we read about Earth. Earth is the densest planet in the solar system, and we all live on Earth. Uranus. It is also a part of our solar system. Uranus is the largest planet in solar system. It is very huge planet. Mercury. We are going to read about a small planet. Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. It is very small planet in our solar system. Venus. We are going to know about the Venus. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. This planet is so much hot. Mars. Now it's turn to know about Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in solar system. Jupiter. Now I am going to know about the vastness of Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It is also very large in the solar system. Saturn. Now we are going to talk about sixth planet of the solar system. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest planet in our solar system. Neptune. It is eighth planet of the solar system. Neptune is the eighth and farthest known solar planet from the Sun. The distance of this planet is very much. Moon. Already everybody know about the name of the moon. The moon is Earth's only natural satellite and the fifth largest moon in the solar system. Sun. Oh, very big and hot. Sun is a hot glowing ball of hydrogen and helium at the center of our solar system. It is a mixture of hydrogen and helium, so it is very hot. We daily see in our life. These are all the planets of our solar system. Now I think you have much knowledge about the solar system. Thanks for watching. Please like and comment and also subscribe our channel. Thank you.